of the Inspector General has blatantly and constantly failed to comply with the Constitution in the following instances. 1. Transfers. Amend the Constitution Implementation Oversight Committee to further explore the extent to which the violation and lack of compliance cited herein meet the threshold of the ground for removal. I think you want me to edit removal of the Inspector General National Police Service provided in Article 245(7) A, B, C, and D of the Constitution. It goes further to provide that no person may direct the Inspector General of our beautiful country with respect to, is the Constitution saying that, with respect to investigating any particular offense. Nobody can direct the IG.
Kind of response and this kind of discussions should have happened from the word go when we started requesting you to come to this committee. I'm sure even the energy levels that you have reached, because I can read a lot of negative energy amongst yourself, should not have come to this level.
Na tukitigana na icio nake mutongoria wa mwaho wa Azimio One Kenya